Faces of Lawsuit Abuse presents Louisiana, the Lawsuit Paradise, a multi-part series on how the business of suing threatens to swallow the state's economy. We're back with Mike Moncla with an update on a new threat from coastal erosion lawsuits. For years, trial lawyers have filed a tidal wave of lawsuits claiming energy industry projects caused damage to the state's coastal wetlands. Many of those projects started decades ago, before the deterioration even began or current regulations existed.
We had a company called Moncla Marine, which is no longer in business due to the coastal erosion lawsuits. You're talking about getting rid of great paying jobs.
Smaller local companies like Moncla's are even affected by lawsuits that go after larger out-of-state companies. One company based in Arizona recently agreed to settle out of court for about $100 million.
It sets a precedence that we don't want set. You settle one of these frivolous lawsuits and they're all coming.
That company can pick up and leave, while workers in Louisiana suffer the consequences of the settlements and the lawsuits. And any lawsuit money won't even necessarily go to coastal restoration.
It's a total money grab. Billions of dollar lawsuits and a handful of lawyers are going to get the money.
The trial lawyers are silencing those businesses who are watching their livelihoods crumble.
A lot of the companies that have been sued don't want to speak because they don't want them coming after them even more.
In the post-COVID era, these businesses are fighting to stay alive and keep people working. But when you're up against the trial lawyer industry, how much will ever be enough?
And we're not interested in settling some frivolous lawsuit that we didn't have anything to do with.